Ew. Feels so weird. I just don't want to. Oh, I am pulling out some brow hairs. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do your own eyebrow lamination using a kit that I got from Amazon. This was only $17.99 and I'll link it down below. I really liked how everything turned out. This is the second day of doing it. So obviously there is some makeup in my brows, but I think it looks really good. It's a lot more cleaner, I feel like, when you do it yourself, because you can actually see like where it's going. And honestly, I've had the best experience with it. So this is how it turned out and I think it looks really good. So if you guys are interested in how I got my eyebrows laminated at home, keep on watching. Okay, so the brow lamination kit that I got is this one that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below and let you guys know the exact price and everything. The directions are all on the back, and it also came with some plastic wrap or saran wrap. You can use saran wrap, but this one actually comes with it, which is really cool. So this is everything. This is how it comes. Everything is numbered, which is really nice. I really appreciate that. All of the directions are on the back of this, so you can actually have this out and then also look at the directions. It says using the #1 cleanser lotion to clear off the oil, dust, and makeup residue on brows. So I'm just going to be taking the #1. I'm just going to be taking a Q-tip and dipping it in there. If it can go, oh, there's like a little stopper. Oh. So dipping it in there. I'm just going to take says, step number 2, apply the glue on brows. So this is the glue and it comes with this. I'm just gonna brush it on them. This says number 5, not number 2, so it's a little out of order, but like it's fine, right? I really hope I don't like lose my eyebrows. Like I've heard people joke about that, but like that would suck. The glue is on there. And it says step 3, brush brows by Y-shaped brush, which they're in here. I already looked at them. Then covering the cling film on brows for 10 minutes. Really? Just the glue. So this is what it looks like, and I'm assuming you just like use this thing. Ew. Feels so weird. I just don't want to. Oh, I am pulling out some brow hairs. I don't want to. It kind of hurts when it goes on. Like, you see my eyebrow? It's like red. So I'm not using the one that has like the bristles because it was like pulling out my eyebrow hair. I don't want my eyebrows to be gone, you know? So I'm just using the flat end. Ew. They look crazy. They look insane, yo. Okay. Alright, so now that I look absolutely crazy, I'm going to take the plastic wrap. And it says to cover the cling wrap on brows for 10 minutes. So I will be back in 10 minutes. All right, so it has been 10 minutes. So now it says apply number 2 perm lotion on brows, covering the cling film on brows for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna use number 2, which is this, and it just says perm lotion on it. Again, it's got like a little stopper. Ooh, ooh, it smells. It smells. Okay. So I'm just going to take a Q-tip again and just coat it on my brows. Now I'm just going to take a Q-tip and go around them so I don't like mess up my skin, basically. Take my cling wrap and then just leave this on for 10 minutes again. So I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so now it says apply number 3 fixation lotions on brows, covering the cling film on brows for 10 minutes. So I'm assuming we take this off and then we just use the number 3 fixation, which is this. So now I'm just going to be taking the fixation, using a Q-tip again. It's weird, like I tinted my brows the other day and it's like some of the tint is coming off, which is annoying, but we'll see what happens when I take everything off. Now another 10 minutes. Is this like 30 minutes? 40, it's a 40-minute thing. And then after applying that on the brows, cover in a cling wrap again for 10 minutes. Okay, and then I will be back after another 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back from the 10 minutes. Take this off. Remove cling film and then use the number 1 cleanser lotion to clear off all perm residue. So, using this again. There's like glue coming off, which makes sense, but like it's just weird. I am losing some brow hairs like as I'm doing this, so keep that in mind if you don't have a lot of brow hair. I mean, one here and there like isn't going to hurt you, but I'm just saying. I think it's all gone, like it doesn't feel weird anymore. So after that it says finally apply number 4 keratin treatment nutrition lotions to repair the eyebrow. And then it says to cover the cling film on brows for 10 more minutes. So this is the nutrition keratin treatment, because I did hear, because this is technically like you're perming your eyebrows, like it does damage them slightly. So let me take another Q-tip and I'm going to dip it in here again. Oh, it smells amazing. So the last time I got my eyebrows laminated, obviously I got it professionally done. and they looked absolutely crazy afterwards. Like, they don't look as bad now because I didn't tint them, but they were tinted too, and it was just crazy. Like, I mean, I still look a little insane, but it's not nearly as bad as it did. And I'm probably not going to do like a reveal today. The intro and all that is probably the next day, just because you're not supposed to wet them for 24 hours, and if I wore makeup right now, I would take it off like before I went to bed, of course, and that would technically be wetting my eyebrows. So yeah, but it does say to use the cling wrap one more time for 10 more minutes, and then it says remove unwanted hair around eyebrows, which I kind of already did that, but I can go in it again once this is done. So I'm just gonna take the cling wrap one more time. All right, and then I will be back in 10 minutes again, just so you guys can see the final results. And then also, I'll show you what it looks like when I do my makeup tomorrow. All right, and then now I'm just going to chill for the night. I'm not going to do any makeup, and then I will see you guys tomorrow when I do my makeup and style my brows. Okay, so this is everything after I did it. This is the next day, so I already put makeup on and everything, but I think it looks really, really good. They're definitely like still a little bit crazy because I couldn't put water on them yet or like wash them. I think they'll look a little bit better once everything's washed and cleaned off. But I think it looks really good with my makeup, and I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, $17.99 versus like $50 some at a salon. And it does take long, I'm not gonna lie, it took 40 minutes, but when you're just chilling at home, doing nothing, you know, it's honestly so worth it. And you could also tint them as well. I didn't tint them with it because I tinted them a couple days earlier, but I think they look really good. And I will keep you guys updated probably on like how long I need to do them, but I think they look good. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just put them down below and I will respond. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. At home. Sushi. Stop it.